Alright, this is 14802 Clarendon Drive in Tampa, and I've got the camera 57 feet in. We're all the way up the stack. You'll see some water running because I just ran everything in the house, and to make sure that we got all the sand and stuff that are out of here. I pulled out a whole lot of calcium buildup. The small stains that you see on the side of the pipe, those are no concern. The camera is going to make them look a heck of a lot bigger than they are. What we don't want to see is any mud or standing water. There was a couple spots that had just a little bit of standing water, but as long as you're not flushing any, kind of tampons or flushable wipes down the drain, I always recommend people for the furthest toilet to use Scott 1000 toilet paper, because it really does a good job breaking up when you flush. So you can see here it's holding a little bit of water, but we still have some flow from inside the house. So that's why I would recommend that Scott 1000, is because it won't get stuck in that little dip that you saw right there. It'll actually break up. The thicker toilet paper, the water is going to outrun the waste, and it's just going to sit there. So you see here how there's not as much water. There's a little dip in the pipe right after that fitting. If you haven't really had any problems, I wouldn't go digging up the house or anything. Cleaning the lines, jetting them out should absolutely help. And you can see I still have some water flowing at me. We already cambered from here all the way to the city main, which was over 90 feet, to make sure any of the debris that we pulled out, got washed all the way to the city main. But all the sand in there is gone. I didn't see any cracks or breaks or anything in the pipe, which is a good thing. A lot of times when you see sand, the pipe itself will be broken somewhere. So who knows how long that sand's been in there, but it's all been removed and it looks good. Thanks for watching.